And now the birds are disappearing at an alarming rate in the United States and Canada. There has been a 29% population drop since 1970 and a net loss of about 2.9 billion birds. More in this alarming report.
Environmental degradation has caused drastic habitat loss, especially for birds. The intensification of agriculture and land use changes are placing pressure on bird populations. Each of the 12 bird families have lost more than 50 million individuals in the US and Canada.
What we found was staggering, it was depressing, that there was a decline in over 29% of birds, 3 billion birds lost over those 50 years.
While climate change was not the major driver of the population plunge, it is likely to exacerbate threats to bird populations in the future, researchers said. They said the extinction of the passenger pigeon in the early 20th century shows that even abundant species can go extinct rapidly.
The good news is that nature is resilient once given a chance. So if we as humans act on this, if we start to really value nature, value birds, put policies into place that are going to protect these animals that we share in our common home, that these birds will respond. They'll respond rapidly. In 5 or 10 years, we could easily see some of these species starting to increase. It can happen that fast.
However, banning the pesticide DDT has allowed for the resurgence of raptor populations, including the bald eagle. So there might be a solution to this endemic after all.